Umuremi, if he can do that, just drop in here. Look at the space here. Yeah? Look at the space. There's too much space. You have police there. I mean, midfielder yenzani ihamba nayo. Umuremi, come in here. Now this was the first warning. Yeah? This was the first warning. Sharp. Remember what I said. I need Adala 4-1-4-1. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 midfielders. This is their number 6. Already there is space. Now you get the ball. You know, I need so skinny. You know, there is no Pirates player this side. Kune player lako. You can't tell me we born red. Yeah? You do what? You take the ball there. Yo. Poor decision. Abo Sibisi. Suka. If you watch the first clip, you had police pressing here. Now, as a keeper, you are the one who's supposed to pass him. Because if you don't pass him and then you pass here, police is still running momentum. Momentum. Now, let's say Bebam passing fall there. Because you are in a tight angle. Be smart. Iba utsotsi. Angithi usibelebele bekafuna ukukutsotsa. Nawe iba utsotsi. Funi contact, gada, then you go down. Sanbonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Orlando Pirates 2, Milford 0. Because it was the first game of the season, I would say Pirates played a good game. Right? Yes, they can still improve. First game of the season, and they could have scored maybe 4 or 5 goals. Even in Milford could have scored a goal. Now, this is the advice to the Kruger United and Milford FC. Guys, stop doing when you're playing against a big team. Stop trying to play the ball from the back. If you don't want to take my advice, go and ask Ovid College what happened. Stop doing intending hazards at the back. Guys, whatever thing you show you, I'm gonna show you they don't know what they are doing. Yes, they have an idea, like they have an idea of playing from the back, but abaz guti bayenza. Okay, sharp. Let's start. First minute or the second minute of the game. Pirates playing their usual 4-2-3-1. Milford were playing a 4-1-4-1, which is not a good idea. It was not a good idea. I'll show you why. I give you proof. Milford is going to press 1, 2, 3, 4 at the moment. Sharp. Okay. Now watch what happens. Tito comes in here. The smartest player, Orlando Pirates. Sharp. This is the guy. This is the number 6. Remember what I said? Badala 4-1-4-1. Now, it's not a good idea because if Pirates has 3 10s, right? They have Tito and they have 2 half 10s. Now you have police there. Let me play it. You have police there. Instead of putting the right back pushing Azobala or Azobe Tuzani, he doesn't do that. Now you have this central midfielder going there. Not a good idea. If Umuremi was comfortable with dropping deep, that's one thing that he needs to do. There's an interview that Henry did before the World Cup where he says when he was young, the coach good training ground told him today you're not going to use your speed, meaning you can't jalo when ufuni ball behind defenders. It means you have to drop short. What happened to Ikari Yagahind was a great player. Now Umuremi, if he can do that, just drop in here. Look at the space here. Look at the space. There's too much space. You have police there. Midfielder yenzani ihamba nayo. Umuremi, come in here. I need to the right back. Ila. Umuremi, come in here, mpanakiti. Yeah? It was not a good idea for me, Milford. Still, Umuremi is not in the picture. Okay, sharp here, Bayenzani, they end up winning the ball. But I'm just showing you the setup, a Pirates, the setup, a Milford. Orlando Pirates showed us good preseason ukuthi bazodlala kanjani ku-PSL. I don't know what these coaches were watching. Engishilo ngathi most yamagoli akaMuremi will come from the ball being played behind. Now this was the first warning. Yeah? This was the first warning, sharp. Remember what I said, angithi badlala 4-1-4-1. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 midfielders. This is their number 6. Already there is space. Utita Makwang, angithi. But if Umuremi is not coming deep, isitshela lo ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani, he wants to run, angithi. Pirates yenzani iyaphuma. Ja, beautiful pass. Great goalkeeping there. Nishi bafethu. Sometimes our coach, they try and be too smart. They try and be too smart and end up costing a team. I don't know, Guti, why would you try and play a high line or a mid block against the Pirates? Because they are just going to play the ball behind. They showed us good preseason, Bafethu. Yeah? They showed us good preseason. Ball on the left comes inside. And what are we doing? Offside. But these were the signs. Signs now. Symptoms. Poor decision making. Now this season is a record. Okay, sharp. First game, right? I'm going to show you Milford. My chances are too. Poor decision making. Like before I show you, please subscribe. It's free. Subscribe. Just press subscribe. It's free. Mahal. Okay, sharp. Pirates has the ball. And don't lose the ball in the middle. Pirates yenzani goes to tell ukijima too much. You need to relax. Okay, sharp. Now Milford is attacking. Ne? Yeah, attacker. Let me take it back. I want you to watch this guy. He scans like 2 or 3 times. This guy, he scans. He scanned 3 times on his left. He scanned 3 times on his left. Now you get the ball. You know, I need to scan it. You know, there is no Pirates player this side. Kune player lako. You can't tell me Guta we born red. Yeah. You do what? You take the ball there. Yo. Poor decision making. Nangu umuntu la. Even the pass yakho mfanakithi. Eh? You are forcing issues. There's no need for you to play a true pass there. There's no need for you to play a true pass. You play the ball to feed. You play the ball to feed. Now he decided to play the ball this side. Why didn't he do that in the first place? Uscanile, guys, 3 times. When he was running, he scanned 1, 2, 3. But you still decide to pass the ball right. Another one. I mean, angazi why these players now figure Scotini. Angazi why these players now figure Scotini are sell fish. Ufuna ukuthengisa fish. Don't sell fish here. Okay, sharp. Now Pirates loses the ball. This is a trap. As a midfielder, you must never want to pass umuntu okude so. It distance is too much. It's too much. Umbacha tries to play the ball to a police. Yes, he's free. Mara, the distance is just too much. Milford yenzani, they win the ball. Sharp. Uqedile ngaye. Mfana pasa. Why you thengisa fish? Unike utakuniketa. Bafethu. Hayi. Uqedile ngoMbatha ngithi. Why don't you pass the ball there? Why don't you pass? Yeah? Pass the man. Pass the man. Unikete. Yeah? Uyamnika. It's either this guy, he's going to shoot. Or he's gonna pass the ball back to you. Oh, my man, selling fish esigodini. My man. Awazi ukuthi labantu laba badla inyama yenhloko. Poor decision making. Now, siku Pirates. Yeah, poor decision making. Iqale la. I-Pirates does not do this. Ngizoyidlala then ngizoyibuyisela emuva. Abo Sibisi. Ay suka. Ay. Now, if you know i-Pirates, right? If ibhola lila, most of the time liphathwa ugoalkeeper. Then Umbatha will be here. Kube yi-double pivot. So the problem started there. Watch Tito. The smartest player. I know there's already people about Pirates, but Tito here, Tito this, Tito that. Look at Utin. Pass, relax. You pass the ball there, then you move into your position. We have a structure of doing things. Stop trying to do izinto ezingekho ongazazi. Aye. Problem started here. Calling. No, my man. Move into your space. Now, Sibis, as a kid, as a center back, as a defender, you're always told, you don't play the ball across. So, you don't play the ball across. You do not play a ball across. This man comes from the World Cup. Ubatla urejisa mona nana 20 minutes. Why pass uSipho Chenge? Pirates had a great chance to score. But Mbuthuma libona mona. As sometimes my fans are not calling a player and then utuzama ukubheka ukuthi what is it that the player look good ngayo ane ubona ukuthi yini le ama fans angayiboni. But Mbuthuma libona mona lona la khathaza boMbuthuma. I always say as a striker, if you go to the first pole, if the ball goes to the there, go to the first pole. Skabri mfana ngithi. Then why outside really tita sharp? There's no way ukuthi awumbonanga. Suka mnai. Just watch. Umuremi. Uyamtshela ukuthi yakela ibhola. Suka. Abombuthuma libona mona suka. If the ball goes here as a striker, you go to the first pole. Go run there. Your teammates are gonna come behind you. When you just need to draw these players. Stop being. Why? Mfana githi. Then why ungayekela uTita shy? Or uphase uDancing. Uphasa mfana githi mara boMbuthuma Mutlarwa wabuela mara you wasting your energy. Yo Mbuthumo hapha. Mbuthumo. Sharp. Tito. What did I say ukuthi? Le abayidlalayo ye 4-1 ayikho right. You look at police wenzani? He comes into the half space. Umuremi ukuphi uzifuna nje eduzane nomuntu azomshiya. Okay, sharp. Smartest player kuLorlando Pirates. Phumile. Okay, we lose the ball. Sekuyilapha. Okay, Milford niyenzani nina? Siyabanika abalifuni bayasinika. uMilford ilibona. Okay, sharp. Now, decision making mfana kithi. Bombuthuma mona. You need to know, you can't play football not knowing the strength and weaknesses of your teammates. You can't play ibhola espacing for uPito. Akana pace. Noma sebathi siyamsukela. Ana pace. You get the ball. Mfana kithi kiyo muthu. Fa muthu. Da there. If uzophasa uTito ke ungamnikezi ke uthi agijima athwanile wena asitsho miyahamuri asimreni. Yes, the best decision would have been here, police. This pass was a bad pass. People must stop selling fish in a football game. In a football match, you have to stop selling fish. Okay, Pirates was attacking. I'm gonna get to kick the ball out. What are you doing? Usfaka under pressure. Okay, Hoto na cross yake sharp. But we are looking for someone who's selling fish. Who is selling fish? A police is selling fish. Pass the man. Always pass someone who's in a better scoring position than you. Football is simple. Always pass someone who's in a better scoring position than you. Ball comes to you, pass the man. Don't sell fish. Don't sell the fish. This man is the right man ukuthi umphasse ibhola ngepace. Usibelebele. Yamnika because it's 2 against 1. It's 2 against 1. It's 2 against 1. Stop selling fish. It's 2 against 1 this side. 2 against 1. You pass the man. He is going to. I think that he's going to score because Myanmar will Usibelebele. But stop selling fish. Second up. If Milford they want to stay in the league, they need to wake up very early. You are not going to get points for trying to play the ball or playing beautiful football. You are not going to get there. There's no point for ukudlala ibhola elimnandi. You are doing something eningayazi. Remember I said that in the beginning. Now let me show you ukuthi ngikhuluma ngayo. Right? You can't use this concept when you are being pressed. Ibhola lisuka le. And let me show you another clip. It's 50-20. 5 minutes later. Now bafuthi. Right? Pressure iphuma kuphi from the left hand side. Bafethu. You need to know what you are doing. You need to know what you are doing. You need the right players. There's nothing wrong with trying to play the ball from the back, but you need to know ukuthi do you have the right players now? This playing ibhola, it's a very expensive thing. You need quality players. Right? If you don't have quality players, it's going to cost you. Now, this concept of playing the ball here, basically Zala, you do it if it's a goal kick. If it was a goal kick, let's say it was a goal kick, and then this guy a pass goal kick. If Mbuthuma was here and then Ayo press, then you pass it here, then you play it there. Because why? Because Mbuthuma uphuma with this position. But Mbuthuma kaphumi la. Angithi, let me take it back. If you watch the first clip, you had police pressing here. Now, as a keeper, you are the one who's supposed to pass him. Because if you don't pass him and then you pass here, police is still running momentum. Angithi, momentum. Now, let's say bebampassile la. We still under pressure. As Pumang. Instead of good goalkeeper pass la, he wants to pass it there. Footy. You need the right people to play out from the back. Milford, you don't have those guys, especially when you play against a big team. Poor decision making again from Milford. Poor. Pirates has the ball. Keep it simple, Mpanagit. There's a defender here. Gune captain ya Kusibisi Upojel. Could have played him the ball. Now we lose the ball. Sharp. It is 1, 2, 3. It's 3 against 2. Then what do you decide to do? Amen. Stop selling fish. Let's go team. Attack. Why Why ufuna ukushayina? Why? Yeah, attack. Attack, my man. Attack, my man. My man, you won't score Usipochain from there. You won't score Usipochain. Akusi player elithanda goalkeeper elithanda ukuphuma elayinini. It's 3 against 2. Hotto. Liyamotseba hot. Now, I want you to watch it. Wenzani? He draws 4 defenders around him. Okay, let's say 3. Yeah. Lotis ngambali ngoba nizofuna ukumthathela. He draws 3 players around him. Pass. Pumin. Number 50 sleeping. Beautiful pass. Great save there. Great save there. Angeke ngimfault lapha yahood because the keeper was coming. Maybe let's see. Maybe bekangamrounda. No, bekangeke. The guy was there. Great save by the keeper. Sometimes I know sometimes we always want to blame players, but I'm a player wadlala namakhulu. 2 chances in 1. In this clip, I show you 2 chances. Firstly, Pirates should have scored here, right? Now, you need. I think they need someone, an experienced goalkeeper coach. You can't have 4 players ebondweni. If the free kick is there, you have 4 in. Goalkeeper. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 players against 6 Orlando Pirates. Noma sebathi asikwazi ukubala. Noma sebathi asikwazi ukubala. You uzomaka kanjani? When there is 6 players, ugoalkeeper naye la. There's no way ukuthi uHoto uzoshaya. After seeing the number le, it's 6 players as a Pirates. This guy, I don't know, umakebani. Okay, sharp. Now, it means it's 5 players there. 5. Cross should have scored. Should have done better. Let's say should have done better. Okay, sharp. Now, we go forward. Marabo sibelebele wena manna sibelebele manna. Who are defending there? There's no need mfana ngithi ukuthi ufuna ukuwina ibhola, but it's understandable. You are not a defender. Ufuna ukuwina ibhola. Hope you still have a mentality ye winger. No. There's no need for you to go and poke the ball here. La you just guide mfana ngithi. La you just guide. Imaphambi kwakhe uzoltrap there. If you are there, he's facing le. So if ula emva kwakhe, the only thing that you can do uzoltrapela le, then siyabuya siya recover nice. But when ufuna uzotshontsha ibhola utsotsi mfana ngithi. Now this guy fall there because you are in a tight angle. Be smart. Iba utsotsi. Angithi usibelebele bekafuna ukukutsotsa. Now iba utsotsi. Fully contact, then you go down. If you don't go down, then hit the target. As a player, you must always try to hit the target if you are facing the keeper. Messi part, hit the target, amen. Before Mourinho scored the second goal again, he gave them 2 warnings. First, in the first half, now in the second half. Angithi, urevute offside. And let's watch the slow-mo. So with the slow-mo, what we want to see is Guti. Not Guti was offside, but where does he start his run? Look where he starts his run. Now, Ipola Lila. It was a free kick. Why is the left back there? Because you're supposed to be here covering Banagid. Yeah? Okay, maybe he was onside. But this was a warning. And guys, I did say Guti. Most Yama goals Agamuremi will come from the ball being played behind. Let me show you Guti in 10. Just before his season, This is how Pirates is going to score this season. Most amagoli uMurema azowakora bazowadlala behind. Most amagoli, I repeat, most they've shown you even the previous games. There was a time where Bamnigila Pume 1-on-1. They are going to score like that. Now here comes the goal. Ibola late, right? It goes to the left-hand side. Play the ball there, my man. Play the ball, around. When ufuna ukuphatha phakathi nendawo. Beautiful pass by Usiema there. 1-on-1. Great composure. 1-on-1 uyamceda. I-defender lapha emapalini. Okay, sharp. Now, let's have a look ku replay and see ukuthi i-starting point sakhe iphuma kuphi. Now, bafethu, the ball is on the left-hand side. Jehovah. The ball is on the left-hand side. Look where the right back is. For who? Why? Yeah? Look where Umuremi is. Remember, in the warning, he was on the right-hand side. And now he's on the left-hand side. Cover me, my Lord. Bafethu. Ngishilo. Bafethu, these things, they are not difficult. When a team keeps on showing you ama-match wabo ku-pre-season, they are showing you ukuthi bazodlala kanjani. How many times did Umuremi get the ball behind? Now, the first game of the season, bayakora kanjani? Bafethu, lona lilahlile. Let's hope ukuthi Milford will do better. Because they look good nyana when they have the ball, yada. But let's hope they'll do better. Right? Thank you for watching, Bafethu. Don't be selfish. Don't sell the fish. Share this video with other kids. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.